I believe you have paused the video and tried by yourself, so it's my turn to give you the right answer. By the way, before going to details, I'll make a small request to you. If you really like my content, please do subscribe this channel, and if possible, please support me through Patreon, because without your support, it's very difficult to upload such kind of videos for you on a regular basis. Fine. So what is this? Actually, better to say, right? This is 2. I'll come. This is sodium on silica gel. Sg means silica gel. Okay. At the end of this lecture, I shall explain little bit about what is sodium on silica gel. So this is 2.7 equivalent 4-hour tertiary bedroom. What do I mean 2.7 equivalent? Can we make silica gel equivalence? Obviously no, because silica gel is actually silica. It's a nanoparticle. NP. So we can't make equivalent, but what can we make equivalent? Sodium. So in this case, you can consider this is equivalent to 2.7 equivalent metallic sodium. Now, metallic sodium tertiary bitter on 4 hour. What reaction this condition is similar to? This is similar to an M reaction, Barch reduction. And by the way, I have uploaded many lectures on Barch reduction, basic concept, electron donating, withdrawing normal, as well as many MCQs. Please visit if you want to learn more. Now question is 2.7 equivalent of sodium and 4-hour tertiary butyrol. What is expected to be the product? See, Barch reduction, right now we need to focus Barch reduction of phenanthrene. So in order to understand that, you need to understand something about the phenanthrene, because this is different. And not only phenanthrene, I would rather suggest student, please learn parallelly about anthracene also, because they show similar properties. What do I mean by the word similar properties? They are 9, 10 position. These 9 and 10. Don't need to remember anything. Just remember these two. This 9, 10 position of this molecule is very reactive. Why? Because in resonance, if you do, I'm not drawing everything, you can see that this is actually remain as double bond. Double bond. Because just a simple idea. Just consider the cross. If you eliminate this, what is this? Just this is means 2 benzene resonance energy 36 into 2. What is the resonance energy of anthracene and phenanthrene? Write in the comment box. You can understand that it is not. There are 3 aromatic nucleus, but Re is not 36 into multiplied by 3, far less. That's why reaction on this thing is easy. And actually, there are many examples where this can act as an isolated double bond. In case of phenanthrene, this part. In case of anthracene, if you see these 9 and 10 position. For example, this act as a simple alkene. So you may consider this is alkene, and in this case, this is act as a diene. Lots of Diels-Alder reaction or some other reaction will find where reaction happens on this position. Like if you try to oxidize this, it will prepare to this anthraquinone derivative. Okay, so this is a common knowledge you should have, that they prefer to react on 9-10 position. Now, since Barch reduction is a dissolving metal reduction, where the reduction is expected to occur, the double bond which is prone to oxidation. And by the way, parallelly one another information I have already described an MCQ on this. So this try to remember. If you want to this is not O. This is Barch reduction. If you want to reduce at the first stage, which part will reduce? Either this or this. Obviously this, and it will become ethyl. Then other thing will occur. So that's why, because this is actually a double bond and this is an aromatic system. Aromatic system reduction means lots of state resonance energy will go. That's a huge loss. But I agree, because of the reactive nature of this reagent, reaction will occur. But where it will occur, it will first try to happen on the less, means more reactive or less energy expensive pathway. More energy expensive pathway means is aromaticity. Means if you want to do this reaction, you need to give that much amount of energy which will overcome the aromatic stabilization of this molecule, whereas this is not that much stable. So that's why reaction will happen easily. So you may consider this thing in that way also. Since I told that this double bond is a little bit fixed double bond. It is not that much delocalized double bond like this double bond, this for aromaticity. Okay. So what is expected? Sodium silica gel, and see there is butanol as a solvent. So this is equivalent, you can consider sodium. Now question, why silica gel? Because if you use metallic sodium is a very reactive reagent, and this is, you can consider, somewhat milder. And remember, in our chemistry means development, it is highly desired to prepare less reactive, more selective and easy to handle, because there is a chance when you handle sodium in your laboratory, there is a chance of accident. So we should not have those kind of unexpected incidents. So first, and look at this, this is 2.7 equivalent. 2.7 equivalent because one sodium gives sodium plus 1 electron. Then it means 2.7 equivalent means 2.7 equivalent of electron. Possible? Now see, you want to reduce this double bond. So, and ultimately what it will produce? Actually reduction of double bond means alkene to reduce, you can get alkane, this. So additionally you added 2 hydrogen, means 2 unit reduction. So 2 unit reduction, logically, theoretically you need 2 equivalent electron, but you have taken 0.7 equivalent excess. Why? Because during the reaction there may be some moisture in the reaction medium. Okay, some atmosphere where you doing the reaction, that maybe you are doing under argon atmosphere, but that has some moisture. So in order to make sure the reaction ends up at the 100% conversion, that's why slight excess of reagents are added. Now, so this is the product of this reaction. Okay, and question thing, that from where these two proton, what is the source of these two proton? These two proton source is butanol. Okay, but why I have mentioned this H3O plus? Because remember, you can't, what I asked, what is the end product? If you do this reaction and try to get the final product, will you get? Obviously not, because in the reaction medium there is sodium, silica gel, there are many things. So you need to purify. First of all, you need to neutralize, because after reaction it produces sodium plus, and another thing, after proton abstraction from BuOH, what it will do? It will do tertiary butoxide. So sodium tertiary butoxide, it's a very strong base, so you need to neutralize or quench. For that thing you need dilute acid, that is H3O plus. That's why I have mentioned. So if you want to get this thing final, you need to do the work. So this is the final product. Now which one is the answer? Answer among this is not this, not this. This C is the answer of this problem. Okay. Now question. If this question appears in your exam less than 30 seconds, how can you solve this? First of all, for that purpose, you need to know the double bond fixation of phenon 3. This is phenon 3. Okay. Similarly, remember anthracene, that may useful. Point number 1. Second, what I have written, sodium in silica gel, and that's equivalence is 2.7 equivalent. Simple. Only one reduction, one double bond reduction possible, because 2.7 equivalent I have given. So which is possible? This is because it is the most fixed double bond, and RE loss, resonance energy loss, is less here. So only this will reduce. In which option? Only this is reduced. 2 aromatic intact, this is reduced. So very fast you can enter if you know this. And by the way, in this case there may be one problem for you. You may face one problem about this, solving this problem, that is, what is sodium on silica gel. Okay, so let me tell you. By the way, I have told that it is the main purpose of making such reagent is to reduce the reactivity of the metal. There are 3 types of sodium on silica gel. Type 0, that is, if you take sodium, this alloy, and mix AlOO, if you take this and mix with silica gel, this is produces type 0. Okay, so what is the problem of this reagent? This is very reactive. This is very reactive, and even it reacts very fast with moisture, and not air sensitive, not air stable, better to say not air stable. It is not stable, very reactive, so difficult to handle. Then question is, what is type 1? So this type 1 thing, actually 160 to 65, you may consider this sodium metal, if you take and mix with this silica, okay, and 165 or 1 around 60, okay. Okay, so around 165 degrees centigrade, it resulted in this sodium on silica gel, that which I am writing in this way. Fine. This is not moisture sensitive and this is air stable. So this is a better option compared to that. Now question, what is the third? Type 2. Type 2 is, if you heat this further near about 400 degrees centigrade, it becomes this. This is also that, it is also sodium on silica, but problem about this is less reactive. So what do we need for our purpose? So we need moderately reactive, moderately selective, because if we take very less reactive, we will not end up the final product, but if we take very high reactive, that's a difficult to handle. That's why this problem, sorry, this is type 1, I make mistake, this is type 1. So for this purpose, this type 1 sodium on silica gel is used. Okay, so that's why please remember this thing. It's a very interesting reagent and such question. The question is easy. If you know this, it will be easier for you. So this is actually used in this case. Okay, so this is the end of this discussion. What we have learned today? We have learned today about the Bartsch reduction on phenanthrolene using sodium on silica gel. It's a special type of reagent, and how the reaction happens, why phenanthrolene reacts on this position, slight comparison with anthracene, and with complete mechanism. And by the way, I have explained Bartsch reduction mechanism. If you want to learn them, please visit the corresponding videos. I shall provide the link. And finally, we learned what is sodium on silica gel, how that is prepared, and why they are so much reactive. Okay, so this is the end of this discussion. I believe this video